determining how to price upcycled wood and metal creations, pieces born from scrap, infused with character, and transformed through skill, requires a deeper understanding of value than simply adding up material costs. Because what you are selling is not just an object but a story, a vision, and a piece of sustainable artistry that stands apart from mass-produced decor. When scrap wood and discarded metal components are reimagined into functional sculptures, rustic-modern shelves, artistic centerpieces, or reclaimed industrial furniture, the resulting work carries a complexity of value shaped by creativity, craftsmanship, time, emotional resonance, and environmental responsibility. Welcome to Decor Ideas, your ultimate destination for stunning woodcraft and home decor inspiration. Here, every piece of wood tells a story, and every design brings nature's beauty into your home. Whether you're a passionate woodwork maker, a woodworking dreamer, or someone seeking timeless and eco-friendly decor, you're in the right place. Stay tuned until the end of this video to uncover creative ideas, inspiring transformations, and to see beautiful collection and get inspiration. Don't just decorate, create with purpose. Subscribe, watch, and let's craft something beautiful together. To price such creations properly, creators must first recognize that they are no longer working with anonymous raw materials. They are shaping items that hold both history and reinvention, and customers who seek these pieces are drawn as much to the narrative behind the object as to its visual appeal. Market value becomes a blend of practicality and storytelling, where the charm of rustic wood, the rugged beauty of aged metal, and the modern personality of clean design come together to form decor pieces that evoke authenticity in a world overflowing with factory sameness. At the heart of this pricing journey lies the recognition that your craftsmanship is the true product, not the discarded materials you rescued. Even if the original supplies were inexpensive or free, recovered from construction sites, donated, salvaged from old furniture, or sourced from metal scrap bins, the labor involved in cleaning, sanding, cutting, reshaping, measuring, polishing, welding, assembling, finishing, and detailing is what transforms these forgotten items into sellable, desirable creations. Time becomes a vital ingredient. The hours spent elevating old wood grain into something smooth, striking, and modern. The careful handling required to restore rusted or worn metal into a beautifully patinated accent. The experimentation needed to discover how contrasting textures complement each other, and the problem-solving required when working with irregular, unpredictable shapes. This effort itself is value. Many creators underestimate the worth of their time, yet customers purchasing handmade upcycled pieces understand that uniqueness, durability, and character take dedication. Pricing must reflect these invisible layers of craftsmanship, because they are part of what makes your piece different from factory decor stamped out in minutes. Another crucial dimension in valuing upcycled pieces involves understanding the emotional and psychological appeal of your work. Buyers today crave meaning behind the objects they bring into their homes. They seek decor that feels personal and intentional, something with history and soul. An upcycled wood and metal design carries that emotional weight naturally. It is eco-friendly, one-of-a-kind, and made with materials that already lived a life before being reborn. When a customer purchases such a piece, they are not just buying a product. They are buying a story about sustainability, creativity, and transformation. They are aligning themselves with a movement that honors the past and the planet while celebrating artisanal skill. This emotional resonance significantly increases the perceived value of your work, because meaning itself is a luxury in a world dominated by disposable consumer goods. When pricing your creations, factoring in the narrative of your materials, the origin of the wood, the former use of the metal, the process that turned them into something beautiful, adds legitimacy and distinction. What you are creating is not just decor. It is artistry rooted in conscious design. Understanding your market is equally essential, because not every product appeals to every buyer, and pricing must reflect the expectations of your target audience. Handmade rustic industrial decor appeals to individuals who appreciate craftsmanship, sustainability, and originality, And these shoppers often expect to pay a premium for pieces that are visually striking, structurally sound, and impossible to find in big box stores. Your customers may be homeowners seeking unique accents, interior designers sourcing statement pieces, business owners upgrading cafes or shops with industrial chic decor, or collectors who admire reclaimed materials. Each group attaches different levels of value to handmade upcycled creations, and noting where your aesthetic fits in the broader market helps guide your pricing strategy. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's video so far? Make sure to tap that like button and share the channel with your family and friends who love woodworking, decor, and creative inspiration just like you. Your support helps the channel grow and allows me to keep bringing you new ideas and projects every day. I'd also love to know where in the world you're watching from. So drop your country in the comments below. And after this video, don't forget to check out the other videos on the channel. You'll find even more inspirational transformations and creative builds waiting for you. A small handmade wooden metal wall hook may appeal to budget-friendly shoppers, while a reclaimed wood coffee table with welded metal legs may command a higher price suitable for high-end buyers. Understanding where your pieces belong, how your regional market behaves, and what your competitors offer allows you to price your work confidently and competitively. Another dimension of valuing upcycled creations comes from appreciating the uniqueness of each piece. Unlike mass-produced decor, where one item looks exactly like the next, upcycled works are inherently one of a kind. No two pieces of reclaimed wood share the same grain, knots, tones, or scars. No two metal scraps age the same way or reveal identical textures and patinas. This built-in exclusivity means your creations cannot be duplicated, and that uniqueness adds to their monetary and artistic value. When pricing your pieces, consider that customers are paying not just for functionality, but for originality. A table made from old barn wood or a sculpture crafted from vintage gears carries the irreplaceable fingerprint of time, something no factory can replicate. It is this individuality that gives you the freedom to set your prices at a level that reflects the rarity of your work. In addition, sustainability itself has become a selling point with measurable value. As more consumers adopt eco-conscious lifestyles, items made from reclaimed materials are seen not only as beautiful decor, but as meaningful alternatives to wasteful production habits. When you create decor that rescues materials from landfills and transforms them into lasting pieces, you are offering customers a way to live their values through their purchases. This increases demand and drives up the market value of your work. Buyers are willing to pay more for pieces that tell an environmentally responsible story, and your pricing can reflect the impact of your sustainable process. Another factor that influences value is branding. The way you present your work, the photography, the packaging, the tone of your descriptions, the consistency of your style, and the professionalism of your craft shapes how customers perceive your creations. A strong brand that communicates quality, artistic identity, and sustainable purpose elevates your work from handmade hobby pieces to high-value artisanal goods. Value woven into their work. The time invested, the craftsmanship honed, the narrative preserved, the sustainability embraced, the uniqueness offered, and the emotional connections sparked in buyers. When scrap transforms into beauty, when discarded materials find new purpose, and when creators pour passion into every weld, sanded edge, or polished surface, the result is not just decor. It is a piece of art that carries meaning, identity, and soul. Pricing must honor that transformation. Your work stands at the intersection of creativity and conscience, where the past is rewritten into something modern, desirable, and profitable. As long as you recognize the true value of what you create, customers will too. Thank you so much for watching Decor Ideas, where creativity meets craftsmanship and nature comes to life through wood. We truly appreciate your time and support. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and share it with your friends and family who love unique home decor and woodcraft inspiration. Your feedback inspires us to create even more amazing ideas for you. Make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss our next inspiring video. Until then, keep crafting, keep creating, and keep finding beauty in every piece of wood.